If your Google Drive is running low on space, or you want to buy more storage before you hit that annoying storage limit, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly how to check your current storage, where to find the upgrade option, how to choose a plan, and how to confirm your purchase so your Google Drive space increases right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with the Google account that you use for your files. Once you're inside Drive, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You should see a storage section there, which shows how much space you've used and how much is left. This is the easiest place to check whether you actually need to add more storage. Now, click on Storage in the left sidebar. This opens up a storage view, where Google shows your current usage across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos if they are connected to the same account. If you're getting close to the limit, this is where you'll usually notice it first. On that page, look for the option that says Get More Storage. That's the button you want. Go ahead and click Get More Storage. As soon as you do that, Google will redirect you to Google One, which is the service Google uses for storage upgrades and subscription plans. This is completely normal. Google One is where you can buy extra space for your account in a few different plan sizes. Once you're on the Google One page, you'll see different storage plans available. These often include options like 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or larger plans depending on your region. Take a moment to compare the plans and choose the one that makes sense for your needs. If you mostly store documents, photos, and a few backups, a smaller plan may be enough. If you store a lot of videos, large files, or share many documents, you may want a bigger plan. After choosing the plan you want, click Buy or Upgrade, depending on how the button is labeled on your screen. This starts the checkout process. Google will then ask you to confirm your payment details. If you already have a payment method saved to your Google account, it may appear automatically. If not, you'll need to enter your card or payment information. Carefully review everything before you confirm. Make sure the plan amount is correct, the billing details are right, and the account you're upgrading is the one you actually want to use. Once everything looks good, confirm the purchase. After that, Google will process the payment and your storage should increase almost instantly. When the upgrade goes through, you can return to Google Drive and check your storage again. You should now see your new storage amount reflected in the sidebar or in the storage section. At this point, you're ready to keep uploading files without running into storage warnings as quickly. If you ever want to manage your Google One plan later, you can go back through the same storage area in Google Drive or open Google One directly from your Google account. That makes it easy to upgrade again, downgrade, or review your billing details whenever needed. So that's the simple way to add or buy more space to Google Drive. First, open Drive, click Storage, select Get More Storage, choose a Google One plan, complete the purchase, and your space increases right away. It's a quick process, and once you know where to find it, it only takes a minute or two. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when the next guide is ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.